my mom, she took off when I was 5.
Hello.
I know what it's like.
Hello.
You know, my dad. Dad's from the family. I mean, we don't know for a year old.
Hello.
Look, I can't keep doing this. I gotta go.
Oh, cool. Cool.
This is it, alright?
You dance.
Now or never.
You got dancing moves.
It's everything that done, right? Save her, kill him, you know?
Hi. Hello.
We gotta find her. We go find her. I'm gonna look back to that. Lily's friend. She's here.
Once I text you with you. Hey, your friend came by.
What are you talking about?
Black guy, white hair.
Hello.
What the hell are you doing?
I buddies, but you have to go.
You just broke in?
Yeah, well, I need to make sure we're okay.
No, David, I'm not okay. I got lost in an airport in Rome.
It's about weeks for that call.
David, I need to leave. What? What are you doing?
Yeah, we spread.
David, I told you to leave.
Есть минут, 20 минут. Сколько будет?
Oh, what?
Как приедешь,
Money banking, okay?
позвони мне.
Really?
Похож, ты время, пока я буду
The bank, you know, few banks, actually.
I'm telling you, your bank balance?
It's a small part.
Will you please get out of my house?
Hello.
Really? I'm sorry. You gotta go.
Leave me alone.
Come on. This might hurt a little bit, okay? It's okay. Trust me. Trust me. I'm not gonna hurt you.
Don't you even come near me. Come near me.
I'm gonna explain this, right? I'm gonna explain everything. You're here. Just stay where you are, right? Stay right there.
David?
Hurry up, let's move. Tripping. There's something I gotta tell you. So how'd you find her? This is something sort of going to piss you off a little bit. Piss me off. What is this?
David?
What's she doing here? This is some kind of clubhouse, you know.
What's going on?
Good. Well, let's see. Okay? It's up to you.